we are going to rename and do a little customizing of our business in Manager.io. You'll notice if you came in, you opened up your business, and see right next to your business name you can rename. So we will go with, say, ABC Corp, and then click rename. And you come here to settings, and you can enter some business details here, address, etc. You can work on your chart of accounts here. We'll get into that later. Currencies, date format, and you can add extensions as well for Manager.io's website. And we'll look at some of these in more detail in later videos. If this has helped you, how about leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment. You'll really help out this channel, and it costs you nothing. And I thank you for the favor in advance. You have a good day.